Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we got a special package from DC Sports with their front upper strut tower bar. Let's check it out and see what's inside the box. Here's the DC Sports strut bar for any 2016 and up Honda Civic EX, LX, Sport, and anything excluding the Type R. We got this cool little badge over here, as well as this awesome strut bar, some instructions, and these awesome looking hex nuts. This strut bar has machined strut mounting plates and is a one-piece design in gunmetal powder coat color, which looks absolutely amazing. This piece here is just plastic tubing to wrap around your strut bar, which I won't be using. This badge that's included with the strut bar, which has a sticker backing, is just going to go on the center here, so let's go ahead and stick it on the bar. Now let's get started with taking out these nuts using a 14mm socket. I just used my impact drill to remove them, which worked perfectly. Once you get these nuts out, I just recommend wiping down the area on both sides since it will most likely be pretty dirty. But after that, just go ahead and put on the strut bar. Unfortunately, my engine cover I literally just installed is too big, so I had to remove it in order to get the strut bar on. I went ahead and hand tightened all of the new hex nuts onto the new strut bar. Once you finish hand tightening them, just torque them down back to 40 foot-pounds. And here's what the strut bar looks like now, and it's fully installed onto the Civic. It adds an awesome look and also improves your handling around corners since it ties down the two towers and reduces your chassis flex. And of course, we can't forget to put on our DC Sports sticker as well. And then here's a quick final look at the strut bar. If you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, check out dcsports.com. I will leave a link in the description and comment section down below for you guys to check it out. Anyway, drop a like if you guys enjoyed, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.